Good morning, children. This is Anjali Sharma, and today we will learn the expanded form of a number. What is the expanded form of a number? Writing the expanded form of a number means writing the number as the addition of the place value of its digits. Let us write the expanded form of the number 32,60,458. Step 1. We write the number 32,60,458 in the place value chart as 3 in 10 lakh place, 2 in lakhs place, 6 in 10,000s place, 0 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place, and lastly 8 is in ones place. Now step 2, we find the place value chart of each digit, right? So the place value of 3 is 30 lakh. The place value of 2 is 2 lakh. The place value of 6 is 60,000. The place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 4 is 400. The place value of 5 is 50. And lastly, the place value of the digit 8 is 8. In step 3, write 32,60,458 as the sum of the place value of its digits. That is 32,60,458 is equal to 30 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 60,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8, which is expanded form. As there is 0 in the thousands place, we do not include in expanded form. Now let us try some more example. Look at the number 4,63,871. We write the number in expanded form as 4 lakh plus 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 1. Right? So next is a tricky one. 70 lakh 6,309. We write it in expanded form as 70 lakh plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 9. Right? So here there are 0 lakhs, 0 10,000 and 0 tens. So we do not include them in expanded form. So children, learning expanded form is not that tough, right? I have given some questions for practicing. So there are the questions for practicing. Write each number in expanded form. Let us learn about the ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Student, see this picture. When we arrange numbers from smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. It means smallest to the greatest number. Look at these numbers, students. Each number are in the form of tens and ones. Let's arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, I already told you that ascending order means what? Ascending order means smallest to greatest number. Okay, so I have already written the range here. You can see, right? So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So these are in the ascending number less than 100. So first I have given you 4 number. You can see 17, 23, 9 and 36. Now we have to see the range. This range you have to see, and these are the smallest number, and like that it increase to big number. Okay, so which is the first number? So from 0 to 9 you can see you can see that any number Yes, we see the number that is 9, right? So we will write the 9 and I will cut here 9, right? So then we have how many numbers? 17, 23 and 36. So we will see in 10 to 20 range. 10 to 20 range. So in 20 range, do we see any number? Yes. We see which number? We see 17. You have to write here 17, right? And we'll cut these. Right. Now next we will see in 20s range. So 20 to 30. Do we see any number? Yes, we have 23. So write here 23 and we have to cut 23 here. So then the last number, you know which is left, the biggest number. So that is 36. Yes. So now student, I will give one more question is there. So we have 45, right? 38, 63 and 50. So we will start from the beginning only. So 0 to 10 we don't have anything, right? Then 10 to 20 also we don't have anything. Then 20 to 30 also we don't have anything. Then 30 to 40 we have. So yes, 30 to 40 which number we have? We have 38, right? 38 we are having. So after writing you just cut it so it will easy for you. And I'll write here 38. Now we have 45, 63 and 50. So we'll see now 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Yes, we have 45, right? So I will cut this number 45 and I'll write here 45. Now which number remaining? 63 and 50. So 50 as it is there. So I will write here 50. Right, I will cut 50 here. So last the number is 63. So we have written 63 number. So we have written here in the ascending order. I hope student you understand how to do ascending order. Now the next topic is descending order. Let us learn about the descending order, student. So you know what do you mean by descending order? Means when we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we say that they are in the descending order. It means from big to small. Okay. So student, here I am taking the number less than 100. So from big to small is descending order, right? That is also called decreasing order. Okay, so now in this descending order we have to see which is the biggest number, then we have to come to the smallest one. So I have given 4 number 26, 58 and 72. So in this we will see from 100 and will go 100 to 90. Is there any number? No. 90 to 80 we have any number? No. So 80 to 70 we have? Yes, we have 72. So the first number is 72 and we cut it this. Okay, now we have 6, 26, 50 and 8. So then we will go 70 to 60. Do we have any number? No. Then 60 to 50. Yes, we have 50. So we have write 50 and we cut it. Now we have 26 and 8, right? 26 and 8. So we will see 50 to 40. Do we have anything? No. 40 to 30. Do we have any number? No. Then 30 to 20 we have? Yes, we have 26. So we'll cut 26. And what is left? Left is 8. So this is the way of decreasing order. Okay, now the next is 56, 99, 47 and 86. So again we will go from the back. So 100 to 90. Any number is coming? Yes, the largest is 99. So we'll cut it 99 and I'm writing here 99. So we will cut now I have 56, 47 and 86. So 90 to 80, do we have any number? Yes, we have 86. So we will cut this. I'll write here 86. Then we will see 80 to 70. We have nothing. 70 to 60. We also don't have. Then 60 to 50. Yes, we have 56. Right? So I will write 56. And then I'll cut this. So my small number is in this range is 47. So student, this is the way to solve the descending order. I hope you understand this topic. So I am giving you some questions for practicing of descending order. Here there are some questions for practicing. So do it student. Arrange the number both in ascending and descending order. Okay. Thank you so much. Today we learn something new. Topic is how to form the smallest and the greatest number. So children, how to form the greatest number? To get the greatest number, we arrange the given digits in the descending order. And I already told you in the previous video that how to arrange the number in descending order. So in this way only, in the same way we will make the greatest number. So let us write the greatest 5-digit number without repeating the digit using the given digits. Right? Now we have these 5 digits here and we need to make the greatest 5-digit number using each digits just once. Right? So how can we do that? We have these digits 64852, and what is the greatest 5-digit number that I can make using these 5 digits? If I want to make the greatest 5-digit number from these 5 digits, I need to arrange in the descending order. That is from the largest to the smallest. So what is the largest and highest digit here? You can see 8, right? So I write first. Then we have 6. So I write 6. After that, then we have 5. So I write 5. After that, then we have 4. Then I write 4. Then we have 2. Right? I write 2 after that. So this is the greatest 5-digit number that I can make using these 5 digits. There cannot be any number greater than these we can make using this 5 digit just once. So why is this happening, student? Why we are arranging the digits in descending order? Because I know that if a digit is placed to the left, its place value is more. So I want to make the largest number. I want the highest digit to have more place value. If I write 8 here, then it will be 8 ones. But if I write 8 here, it will be 8 in tens thousands place. So it stands for 80,000. Right? And these 8 is just stand for 8. So I write the highest and the greatest digit first, then the next, and so on. So if I want to make the highest or the largest number, I arrange in the descending order. These are the digits arranged in the descending order. Let us take another example. You can see these digits, students. Well, once again we need to arrange the digits in descending order. And we have 0 here. Now 0 is the smallest among all the digits. So the greatest digit is 7. I write 7. Then we have 6 twice, right? So I need to write 6 2 times. We are using each digit once, but they have given 6 twice. So I need to write 6 twice. Then we have 2 4s, right? So I write 2 4s and then a 0. So I used to all digits arrange them in descending order. And this is the greatest 6-digit number that we can make using these digits. Okay. Now, we will learn how to form the smallest number. To get the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in the ascending order. And children, it's very important thing, keep in mind that we never write 0 in the extreme left position. And I will explain you in the example why we will not write. Now, make the smallest 5-digit numbers using each digits once. How can we do that to find the smallest number? We arrange the digits in ascending order. That is, starting from the smallest, we need to move on to the largest digit. So, which is the smallest digit here? You can see, student, 2. So, I start with 2, right? Then the next digit is 4. So, I write here 4. The next digit is 6. So, I write 6. So, the next digit is 8. So, I write 8. The next digit is 9. So, I write 9 here. So, we arrange the digits in ascending order, that is 24,689, and this is the smallest 5-digit number that I can make using these digits. Now, the logic is very similar to what we did for greatest number. Here, we want to assign a lower value to higher digit because I want to make a smaller number as small as possible. So, if I write 9 here, I will get a greater number because I know that for any two 5-digit numbers, the one having 9 in the tens thousands place will be greater and the one having 2 in the 10,000s place. But I want to make the smallest possible number. So, I arrange the digits in ascending order. Now, student, I am taking the another example. You can see these digits 06801. I need to make the smallest 5-digit number using each digit once. You can see the smallest digit is 0 and we have 2 zeros. So, let us write zeros. So, 1 0 and 2 0. I have a 1, so I write 1. Then I have 6, so I write 6. Then I have 8. So, I write 8. So, these are the digits arranged in ascending order. But now, look at this number. What is the number? The number is 00168. Or, I can simply write this as 168. Now, is this a 5-digit number? No, this is a 3-digit number. Where is what I want to make is a smallest 5-digit number. Why did this happen? Because we had zeros here, and if I write 0 at the left, it holds no value. So, we can ignore those zeros. So, when you want to make the smallest number from the given digits and you are arranging the digits in ascending order, if there are zeros, the 0 will be written after the next largest digit after 0, which is in this case is 1. So, after 0, I have 1. So, the first digit of my number will be 1. Then I write 2 zeros, then 6, then 8. So, this is how I can make the smallest 5-digit number using these 5 digits. So, instead of writing zeros to the left, I simply bring this 1 to the left and all the other digits remain where they are. So, I hope students you understand how to form the smallest and the greatest number. Okay. Now, let us start with the exercise. Question is, write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number using these numbers. So, first question is 2, 3, 5, 8, 7. So, student, how to make the smallest 5-digit number? So, we have to arrange the digits in ascending orders. So, which is the smallest digit here? 2. So, start with 2, write 2, then the next digit is 3, then the next is 5 and the next digit is 7 and the last is 8. So, we arrange the digits in ascending order. that is 23,578. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, so now the next is how to form the largest 5-digit number from these digits only. So here, which is the greatest digit here? 8. So start with the 8, then 7, the next digit is 5, then the next digit is 3, and the last is 2. So in this way we arrange the digits in descending order, right? So the number is 87,532. So this is the greatest 5-digit number. So the next question, student, the digits are 49603. So here also we have to form the smallest 5-digit number. So here we have to start from 3. So write 3, then the next digit is 0, then the next is 4, then 6, and then 9. Now how to form the largest 5-digit number? We have to start from 9, right? So start with the 9, and the next digit is 6, then the next is 4, then the next is 3, and the last is 0. So in this way we have to make the greatest 5-digit number. Okay, so now here I am giving you few questions to you all for practicing. Okay, so thank you so much, students. Do practice for the sum. I am going to teach you comparing the numbers of class 6 maths. For comparing two numbers, we use following rules. First rule, if two numbers have the same number of digits, the number with the bigger digit on the left hand side is greater. The best way comparing the number, compare each place value starting from the leftmost digit. For example, I have given some example 96 and 56. Here you can see by comparing the leftmost digit, which is 10th place, which in 10th place 9 and 5. So 9 is greater than 5. It means 96 is greater than 56. The next rule, if the leftmost digits are the same, we compare the next digit to the right and keep doing until the digits are different. This example, one more example is there, 567 and 532. Here you can see if we start with the hundreds place, since both are same, right, 5 and 5, let us move to the next place value, which is tens. It means in the tens place value 6 and 3 is there. We have to compare. You can see clearly, you can see that in tens place 6 is greater than 3. It means 567 is greater than 532, right? So there is an example, more example is there. In the first example 78 and 53, you can see 78, we have to see the tens place value. In the tens place value 7 and here 5. You can compare that 7 is greater than 5. It means 78 is greater than 53, right? In the next example 24, here also we can see the tens place, right? In the tens place 2 is there, and in this digit 9 is there. It means 2 is less than 9. So 24 is less than 92. Same as the third example, there is a number 672 and 561. Here we can see the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, in this digit 6 is there, and in this digit 5 is there. It means 6 is greater than 5. So 672 is greater than 561. So the next example, fourth example, 728 and here 796. If we can start with the 100 plates. So since both are the same, right, 7 and 7, it means we have to move to the next place 2 and 9. 2 is less than 9. It means 728 is less than 796. So I have given some questions for practicing. Solve it, students, and thank you so much.